2, 1, 3.
I'm trying. Okay. Is it on? I want my other shoes.
Okay.
The ones that you forcibly ripped off my feet. Hurry! You have crazy hair today. Yay! Nice.
Nope.
Yep. Hey! I want those shoes on. Yes! She said, no, not. I want to put on those shoes. Bring me those shoes. Please. Those are my house shoes. I wear them all the time. Okay. Okay, bring me those other shoes. Bring me those other shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Good job. It's mostly on. Way to go, Kyler. Nice job. Don't you always tell Mommy nice?
Yeah. Oh,
Come here, high five. I love you. You feel better. Dada. Uh-oh, where's Diesel? I haven't let you guys out yet.
nope.
Hey, I want those back. I want my other shoes. I want my other shoes. No.
Ready.
No. Mom, stop. No.
Mom, Debbie. Hey.
Feet.
Mom.
No. It's not going to go on. Is it on? I'm never going to get these tied again properly.
No. Ew. Wait. Wait.
Bella Mama, you're looking pretty. You look pretty. No.
No. Wait.
Out.
There you go.
Kyler,
Okay.
I love you. Kyler.
Over. Money.
Oh. Oh, we'll never have nice things. We just have nice dogs. Lovely. Kyler. Jeez. No.
No. No. Ew.
Bad foot.
My baby. My baby.
You got a little dry lip. Got a little dry skin on your lip from getting a little too
Aww.
thirsty.
Sweet.
What's that?
Sweet.
Foot. What's that? Shoes. What is that?
Is.
Yeah, you What's that?
Ba.
That's right, Bella. Nice Axel.
Ba. Ba.
Yeah. That was your favorite, because you can say Bella.
It is. No. But it is.
Give me my oosh back. Yay! I get my flip-flops back.
Yep.
Give me back my flip-flops.
Yes.
I don't want my oosh. I want my flip-flops.
Yeah. No. It's.
Ouch. Feels great. There's a shoelace between my toes. Oh man, you have got some majorly sweated out bedhead. So does Mommy. Kyla.
Mom, no, ew.
Let me have it. Let me have it. Careful. My covers.
Whoa.
Bella's gonna get me.
No.
Did you just smell my shoes?
No.
I guess they're not too stinky.
No. Ew.
Aww. Easy, Kyler. Get her, Bella. Get her, Bella. No hit, Kyler. No hit, Kyler. Easy hands. This is why we have boxers with our children. Good girl, Bella. Oh, did you just kiss her foot? Hey, did you get a hair in your mouth? It was so attractive. Did you give her a high five? Bella's a good mama. Bella's a good mama. Good girl. You were nice to my baby. And my baby attacked you, and you were nice to my baby. Nice. Oh, nice dog. You're pretty good, too. You're pretty good, too. I bet you'll need to go outside.
But it is.
This is my for real shoe. Keeping it. Thank you. No, let's take doggies outside.